Welcome to this PaperHost web hosting quick start video guide. First, let me thank you on behalf of our entire team for choosing the leading pay-as-you-go web hosting provider in the world. You really did your homework and made the right choice. PaperHost is the only truly unlimited web hosting with multiple data center location options. That's why we think PaperHost is the only web hosting you will ever need. Okay, let's start. You have just registered and logged in. Now, let's click on the Domains menu. As you can see, you don't have any domains set up for hosting yet. Before you do anything in our admin area, you have to have a domain registered. We do not offer domain registration services, instead specializing only in web hosting. If you do not have a domain name yet and don't know how to register one, don't worry. Just contact our friendly support team and we will buy and set up a domain name for you. Once you have the domain name, you have to point it to our servers. This is simply done by changing the name server setting on your domain. The correct name servers are next to the domain list, so just copy it to your clipboard and let's go to the domain name registrar website. We prefer to register our domains on Namesilo.com, a company with whom we share similar values. We both offer exceptional value without misleading pricing or upselling. Once you log in, just click on the Domain Manager and then click on the domain you would like to set up for our hosting. In the Name Servers tab, click on Change and paste our name servers from your clipboard. The correct name servers should be ns.paperhost.com, ns.paperhost.eu, and ns.paperhost.asia. Click on Submit, and that's it. Your domain is set up. Now, just wait a couple hours for the NS servers to propagate everywhere. While you're waiting, create the hosting for the domain. Go back to our admin area and click on Domains. There, you can enter your domain name and select the data center location. After a couple hours, try to open your website via web browser. You should see a message saying your web hosting is ready. If you don't see it, please wait a little longer before you continue. Now you have to upload your website to the web hosting. You have two options. Use the provided auto installer or upload your files manually via FTP. For the purpose of this video, we will continue by using the auto installer. The first step is to create a database. This is simply done in the database menu. The database user is already created. All you have to do is to click on the Add Database and enter the name of the database. For example, the domain name. Your last step is to run the auto installer by clicking on Tools, Auto Installer. Select your domain and click Continue. Now you see all the available applications you can install via Auto Installer. Select the one you want, for example, WordPress, and click Install this application. You can leave all the default settings, just make sure that you select the database you've just created. After a couple of minutes, your installation is ready. Congratulations, your website is up and running. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you ever need any help with your web hosting, do not hesitate to contact our skilled support.